Welcome to Kanen Coffee in Berkeley. Today we have a nice classic gadget. Came to the shop because the water was coming straight into the tray, and what was causing it is the brew unit. That's the old one. So we switch it with the brand new one inside. It's working perfectly. No more water in it, straight in the tray. Dispensing coffee. Let's brew a shot. Also, how coffee comes out in terms of the intensity, it's always from the grinder, however you like it. But as you can see, coffee is dispensed in, uh, ready to go. And let's check the there's coffee, beautiful, or espresso per se. So, as you can see, the main problem came for you have a real coffee on a tray, and no more leak. It all goes here as expected. Please don't forget to subscribe and come out to the shop to check our beautiful collection of beautiful brand new machine for sale here in 4th Street on Berkeley. Have a great day. Thank you.